Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your OPPO A6x. So first, what you guys want to do is make sure to restart the device first. So this will reset the battery sensor, and we just go over, press the power button, the volume up button, and swipe up to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after a restart, let's enter the password if you guys need to enter one, and then go over to the settings. Now we go over to the settings because we want to make sure that our battery percentage in status bar is enabled. We go to the notifications and quick settings. And here we have the status bar right up top. Here we want to go over to the battery percentage, and if it's set to do not show, this is why it was like that. We can of course select it outside the battery icon or inside of it, totally up to you. And as you guys can see, now we got it back. But if it's still not working for you, then what you guys want to do is use a battery widget. So I am using the battery widget Reborn by Thomas Subalik, and so far it's very good. So we're gonna go to the Play Store, we're gonna install it by going into the search. Now search for the battery, and then battery widget. And we're not gonna use the sponsored apps, we're gonna use the battery widget Reborn. So this is the Thomas Subalik. Let's click install. And this app is not that big, it should install pretty quickly. It's only 11.5 megabytes. So wait for it to install, then we're gonna click open right away. Here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and press start manually, then go over and leave the app. Wait, let me quickly consent. And now we're gonna long hold on our home screen, go to widgets, and here select the battery widget Reborn. You can use the bigger one or the smaller one. I use the smaller one. Now click the check mark right here, and we got our battery percentage. Of course, as you guys can see, it matches up, so this app actually reads your battery and shows it to you if you do not have it enabled. So if it's still not working, right up top here in the status bar, you guys want to go over to authorized device support and tell them about this issue, because it's probably a not working battery sensor. If you got the warranty, it's a free repair. If not, it will cost you not much, so it's a very affordable operation on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.